Hi, today we're going to make a smoothie. We got some strawberries, some peanut butter for protein. We got a banana, some milk, and spinach. So first we put in the spinach and the milk, and then we'll blend that. So we put the spinach in, and then we put some milk in. And that's about good enough. After that, we put the cap on and blend it. So we're going to add in our fruit and our peanut butter. So we add in the bananas. And the strawberries. And then we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Let it stop dripping. After that's in, we blend it. Now that it's done blending, let's taste it. Delicious.